In this video, I'll be teaching you how to use the Microsoft Teams e-learning platform as a lecturer. You can download the Teams app from your App Store on iOS devices and from your Google Play Store on Android devices. So I have downloaded mine before. Click on Teams. Enter your username or your official email address. Sign in. Enter your password. Then click on sign in. Please note that the iOS and the Android interface are majorly the same thing. They're basically the same thing. When you sign in, your landing page is your activity session. And on this in this section, you can see all notifications appear here of assignments given, announcements made, and so on. So when you look at the bottom of your screen, there are 5 icons. You can see activity, chat, teams, assignments, and calendar. So having looked at the activity session, we'll go to chat section. When you click on chat, you can chat with previous people that you've previously chatted with. You can send messages to students. You can also send messages to lecturers, your co-lecturers. You can send files to them. You can also look at the files that you've sent to that you've previously sent to the people you've chatted with. You can also initiate a new chat as a lecturer. For example, you can type in the name of a lecturer that you want to chat with, or the name of a student, or the matric number of a student that you want to chat with. When you look at the top right corner of your screen, you can also initiate audio or video calls, personal audio or video calls with the lecturers or the co-lecturers or students. Going out of the chat section, we'll look at the third function, which is Teams. When you click on Teams, which is the third function, you get to see the courses that you're taking or the courses you're teaching as a lecturer. So all these courses would have been preloaded from the database into the e-learning platform for all lecturers. So when you click on the 3 dots that appear at the side of each course, you can manage members, you can manage channels, you can leave the team, you can edit the team. So under manage members, like I previously said, you can mute disturbing students and you can unmute the student. If we go into a particular course, like FIN 201 now, the first landing page is the post page where you can post announcements for students. You can also set importance of various messages. So I can edit this message, for example, and set formatting to important message. I can name it announcement. So here, basically, you can send out announcements to students, to all the students in your group. You can also attach files for the students to see, notes, or different files for the students to see or for the students to read. You can also send in audio recordings for the students. Outside the post section, the second tab there is the file section where you can see all the files that you've sent out to the students on under that particular team or under that particular course. When you click on more, you would see other folders or other segments such as assignments, class notebooks, grades. And we've majorly discussed how to use this platform on the desktop. So using it on the mobile device is basically the same thing, except that this one is more handy. When you click on assignment, you can see all the assignments that you've given to the students. So under this course, we have given 6 assignments. You can see how many people handed in each assignment or how many people submitted each assignment. You can see how many you've reviewed. And when you click on each of the assignments, you can grade the students. You can see how many you've marked. You can see the ones that you're yet to mark, and so on. To give new assignments, while you're under the assignment section, just click on the plus sign at the top right corner of your screen. and click on new assignment for new assignment, or click on new quiz, or you can set assignments from existing assignments. Also visit the video on assignment for more information on how to set assignment. Under the grades segment, you can see the progress of each student. You can see the grades awarded to each assignment for each student. Going out of that, if we go to the assignment tab, basically you see the same thing you see under each assignment under each course. Under the calendar section, you can schedule classes. So the landing page of the calendar shows you every class that has been scheduled, that you have scheduled under that course or under your various courses. So when you click on the right, the icon on the right, the top right corner of your screen has a plus sign where you can schedule new calendars. Topic 4, for example, can share to channel. Let's say you're setting the assignment the class for FIN 201 general class. You can set the timing. You can set the end time. Let's say it's a 1 hour class. It's 1 hour class. You can also make it a repeated class to be repeated every week. So this way the course is repeated every Sunday. You can set location, just like you can do on your desktop, and so on. And then you can click on done. So when you click on done, it shows you the class that you have set, topic 4, and then it sends a notification to the students under the activity segment. Every other thing that you can do has also been, just like we've explained under the desktop. So you can perform every other function that's necessary. When you click on the top left corner of your screen, you see your profile settings, turning on notifications, and more apps, and so on. So that'll be all for now. You can kindly visit the e-learning platform on the website for more videos on how to perform various functions. Thank you.